Let me show you how to do all cable connections for 70MAI A200 set camera. So first of all, we'll need this thing which you connect to the cigarette mount or the plug in your car. You should find it somewhere in your car. You will first need to remove the cigarette lighter and then you can plug it in, or in pardon me, in newer cars you can go for a USB cable if you have a plug for it. So if you don't need it, then you don't need to plug it in actually if you have that USB cable. So I'm gonna set it aside for now, and now let's move on to the cables. First we'll pay attention to our USB to USB-C cable. Now you will need to connect this USB cable to this mount if it's connected to your car, or if you have this USB cable that I've mentioned, you can instantly plug it into your car, and then this end needs to go to this side of the camera. So you can just connect it like this. After that, your front camera is already powered on. You can mount it into the mount plug that also comes along with this device. Then we have this cable, and this cable is very long. It allows you to connect the second camera from the set, this smaller one, to the back. So you will need to align this plug with this one and connect it like that. Make sure it's well secured, and then this end right here. And after that, our cameras are connected. You probably already have everything planned out, how to go through with those cables going around your car. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.